Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this might just be the most satisfying purchase. Changes everything. If you love cool items, stick around for a moment. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it performs flawlessly, I was completely sold. It is hands down incredible because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it cuts down your daily stress significantly. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade. Go directly to the video description right now, click that product link, and grab yours today right this second. Product link product_link_ placeholder. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this might just be the